This is Nicole with Cooking with the Rainies. Today we are making a pineapple upside down cake on the big green egg. So I have everything here already measured out and prepared. We'll share the recipe at the end of the video. So this one called for a brown sugar and condensed milk mixture, and we're gonna dip the pineapple slices down in that. Dip them in, and then I'm going to put them in my pan, and my husband is going to grill them. So we're just going to get all of these in the pan. It's 7 pineapple slices dipped in brown sugar and condensed milk. This is our first time doing this particular pineapple upside down cake, so I'm interested to see how it comes out as well. Okay, last one. Okay, so this is the last one. I'm going to hand this off to Caron. He's going to take it out to the grill and grill it, and he'll be showing you what he's doing out there. And then I'll come back and put the whole cake together, and then we're going to cook it on the grill. Thanks. See you guys soon.
Okay, welcome back to Cooking with the Rainies. I'm Caron. We got our big green egg set in at 325. We got the griddle inside, and we're going to put these pineapples on our griddle. We preheated. It's preheated. Sorry. We're going to do these 2 minutes per side. This is definitely different from the last one that we made. So just like that, and we'll be right back when we check on them. So we'd already flipped them at 2 minutes, so it's been 4 minutes. We're going to go ahead and take these off. And we use just regular canned pineapples this time. The recipe does call for fresh pineapples, but we'll see. Like I said, the grill was at 325. We're going to let the grill stabilize at 325 again. We're going to go mix up everything, and then we'll bring it back out. So we'll be right back.
So we're back. We have our floured pan ready with the grilled pineapples and cherries already put into place. I have my sifted flour, baking soda, and salt here. And in the big bowl, I have brown sugar, 3 eggs and 5 egg yolks, and a little bit of vanilla. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna add this to the mixer. And that is going to be the start of our cake. Okay, so that's our eggs. And then what we're going to do is start adding our flour mixture very slowly so it can mix well together. You want to let it mix a little bit before you actually, get it all in there together. So I'll be mixing this, and then you want to add, this is 1 cup of unsalted butter melted, and so we're going to add a little bit of butter. more of the flour mixture. And we're just gonna mix that up good. Okay, so then I'm just going to add the rest of the butter. I'm going to turn this off so I can get the rest of this flour in there. Okay, so once again, this is flour, baking soda, and a little bit of salt. It was 1 cup of unsalted butter melting. That is 2 sticks for 1 cup. And then I have the 5 egg yolks, 3 eggs. It is a 1/2 cup of brown sugar and a 1.5 tablespoons of vanilla. So let me finish mixing this, and then we're gonna pour it in our pan over our grilled pineapples and our cherries. And then we're gonna grill it for like 35 minutes on the big green egg, and we will give you guys the site to get it to. We love going to that site to get our recipes. So everything has been blended, and I'm gonna pour it in the pan. This is a 9-inch round pan, and it's been sprayed with your flour and oil mixture. So I'm just gonna pour this in the pan right on top of the pineapples and cherries. Let me get everything out. Okay, so everything is in. Roni's gonna take this back to the grill, and it's going to cook for about 35 minutes. And then we'll be back to let you guys see how this came out. This will be our second one, but a different recipe. So like I said, we are interested to see how this one comes out. And before I go, I want to give a shout out to Sheremy Wilkerson. She made our shirts for us, Cooking with the Rainies. We're official. So once we finish, we will give you the links to everything that we use so you guys can find the recipes that we love to try out. Thanks.
Cooking with the Rainies. We're gonna put this cake on the grill here. We're just gonna slide it right there in the middle. We got the egg set up for indirect cooking. I'm using a Flame Boss to control my temperature, and I can watch the temperature on my phone and make sure I'm not getting too high, too low, and it's gonna hold the egg stable. So we'll be back in about 30 minutes. Check on the cake. With the Rainies, so it's been about 35 minutes. We're gonna check on our cake right now. And all my bakers out there know, we just have to check to make sure there's nothing coming off. And we're looking pretty good. So we're gonna go ahead and take this off, let it cool before we flip it onto a plate. So got a little cleanup to do right there. So stay tuned and we'll be right back.
Alright guys, so this is the finished product. Our pineapple upside down cake on the big green egg. It took about 35 minutes total, maybe about an hour for everything. So let us know what you think. Like and subscribe our page and we'll be giving you more videos. Thanks.
Thank you.